What if I told you there is a place on Earth where ships disappear without a trace? Planes vanish mid-air. And even modern navigation systems sometimes fail completely. A region so mysterious that it has created fear, curiosity, and conspiracy theories for decades. This is the story of the Bermuda Triangle, one of the most debated mysteries in human history. But is it really a death zone? Or just one of the most misunderstood places on Earth? Today, we uncover the truth. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It connects 3 points: Miami, Florida; Bermuda; San Juan, Puerto Rico. This forms a triangle shape on the map, hence the name. Over the years, this area has been linked to hundreds of strange disappearances involving ships, airplanes, private boats, military aircraft. But here's the real question. Are these incidents truly mysterious? Or is there a logical explanation behind them? The legend of the Bermuda Triangle didn't start with science, it started with stories. One of the earliest famous cases was the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945. 5 U.S. Navy bombers took off for a routine training mission. But something went wrong. The pilot radioed in confusion. "We are lost, everything looks strange, even the ocean doesn't look right." Then, silence. Not only did Flight 19 disappear, but the rescue plane sent to find them also vanished. No wreckage. No bodies. Nothing. This event shocked the world and the mystery began to grow. Over time, many theories tried to explain the Bermuda Triangle. Let's break them down. Most experts believe the simplest explanation is often the correct one. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. That means high traffic, sudden storms, strong currents, human navigation mistakes. The Atlantic Ocean in this region is known for fast-changing weather conditions. A clear sky can turn into a deadly storm within minutes. Many so-called mysteries may actually be accidents caused by nature and human misjudgment. This region is also known for hurricanes, water spouts, ocean tornadoes, strong underwater currents. These forces can easily sink ships, destroy aircraft, scatter debris across large distances. In many cases, wreckage simply cannot be found. Another popular theory is compass malfunction. Some reports suggest that compasses in the Bermuda Triangle sometimes behave strangely. Instead of pointing north, they may shift slightly. This could confuse pilots and sailors, especially in earlier decades before GPS technology. However, modern science says these magnetic changes are real but very small, not enough to cause mass disappearances. Still, in the past, this may have contributed to navigation errors. One of the more scientific explanations involves the ocean floor. Under the seabed, there are large deposits of methane gas. Some researchers believe gas can suddenly erupt. It reduces water density. Ships lose buoyancy and sink instantly. This could explain sudden disappearances with no warning. However, there is limited evidence of large-scale occurrences. It remains a theory, not proven fact. Of course, no mystery is complete without wild theories. Some people believe aliens are abducting ships and planes. The Bermuda Triangle is a portal to another dimension. Time distortions exist in this region. While these ideas are fascinating, there is no scientific evidence supporting them. But they continue to fuel documentaries, movies, and imagination. Here's the truth most people don't hear. According to NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the Bermuda Triangle does not have more disappearances than other busy ocean regions. Many reported cases are exaggerated or inaccurate. Some incidents were misreported over time. In simple words, White right pointing backhand index: it is dangerous, but not magical. White right pointing backhand index: it is unpredictable, but not supernatural. Even with explanations, some cases still raise questions. USS Cyclops, 1918. A large US Navy ship disappeared with over 300 people on board. No distress signal. No wreckage. DC-3 aircraft, 1948. A passenger plane vanished near the region without explanation. Various small boats. Many small vessels reported sudden storms and never returned. But again, most experts suggest storms, navigation errors, lack of modern tracking systems at the time. If science explains most of it, why is it still famous? Because the Bermuda Triangle is mysterious, emotional, unpredictable in stories, perfect for media and films. Human brains love unsolved mysteries. And the ocean already feels like one of the most unknown places on Earth. So when accidents happen, we naturally search for something bigger behind them. So, what is the real secret of the Bermuda Triangle? It is not a portal. It is not aliens. It is not a supernatural trap. It is a combination of dangerous weather, human error, high traffic zone, ocean unpredictability. But even today, the ocean hides many secrets. And maybe that's what makes the Bermuda Triangle so powerful. Not because it breaks the laws of science, but because it reminds us how little we still know about our own planet. The question is not whether the Bermuda Triangle is supernatural. The real question is, White pointing backhand index, how many other mysteries in history are just stories we don't fully understand yet? If you enjoyed this story, wait for the next one. Because history is full of secrets that are even stranger than fiction.